Something, I'm out here in the chicken pen. Oh, y'all quit pecking me. Come on. Come out here. My wife told me we had a hen that was laying eggs. This, ladies and gentlemen, is not a hen. It's what you call a demon bird. It's a demon bird right here. Look at that. All puffed up. Shh, easy. This broody, she's laying on eggs, but boy, she gets all puffed up. Starts hissing and doing all kinds of mess. Chitter chattering and hissing and wanting to peck and bite people. Look at you, demon bird. Oh, yes. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, she's a good girl. Who's a good girl laying on them eggs? God, how many eggs you got up under there? How many you got, huh? We got an incubator inside. You know, we could do this for you. We could do this for you, but you want to be little Miss Broody and sit on them. That's fine. We'll let you. Good girl. Good girl. Well, she gets to be like a demon-possessed bird. You turn around, she just hisses at you and does all kinds of things. No eggs in there. Yeah, that's the one. We'll get him, put him in. Come on, here.
Open up.
Chase him in.
Watch out, here he comes again. Here.
Well, go on, up. Go on, go over there and get him.